All right, Sexy Smooth Wax finally came out with their Cherry Desire, and I'm excited to try it out for you guys. It is gorgeous. It reminds me of Tickled Pink, but just, its long lost sister. And it goes on very well and very smooth. Y'all know me. I appreciate a wax that goes on like butter, make you want to slap your mother. And the cool thing about this wax, it gives the gel and hybrid film wax vibes. So we love to see those two consistencies mixed in one. That also lets us know it's going to dry really well and not really break on us. That's the cool part. So we're going to take this off and see what we get. And it's looking like an almost one and done, so we can appreciate that. Don't forget, guys, this wax is 50% off. It was 53, but that expired yesterday. So now it's 50% off, and that's still a great deal. Plus, you get to use my code Waxing Queen for an additional 20% off. So go and stock up on wax. They have this one and other waxes on their site that you can use. I'm not going to cut the camera here because I want to show you the dry time. I literally put it on and it's dry. So you remember, you want a wax that's not only going to apply well, but going to dry well. So that's very important to remember when you're trying to find a good wax for you. A little pinpoint bleeding, just swipe or no swiping, and follow up with that pretty kitty and body oil to prevent ingrowns, bumps, and breakouts. Go and grab your oil. Go and grab your wax. Don't say I didn't tell you so. Bye.